Following the stampede, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has issued multiple guidelines focusing on the crowd control, traffic management and interdepartmental coordination. The Chief Minister has ordered a review of the Mahakumbh arrangements by the Chief Secretary and the Director General of the Police. The ADG and the District Magistrate of Prayagraj have been directed to ensure a safe and a smooth departure of all the devotees from the city. Arzu, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Arzu, as in fact you were showing us through the visuals from where you are at Prayagraj, kindly take our viewers through the entry points where the vehicles are barred, and also the same thing from the locations which were earlier declared as the VVIP zones or VVIP places have now been officially cancelled for being attaining to the VIPs. No VVIP privileges have been now retained by the Uttar Pradesh government after the stampede accident has happened. Kindly take us through the visuals of the same to get us a more understanding of what has changed.
So this is the particular entering earlier. So this is the particular way. This is the particular path. This is the entry point of the Mahakumbh Mela 2025. And from here only the vehicles were passing, whether it's of VIP or the media vehicles, all were passing from this particular route. But now you can clearly see the entire area has been barricaded. Even you can see only people who are walking are allowed to enter. Even some change in the direction has also been made. The public has been diverted to different routes so that all together doesn't move, because the gathering is not allowed now. It is being continuously announced that you should not gather at one point. You should do whatever you want to do, but then keep moving so that the public doesn't gather at one place. And would also show the visuals. You can clearly see a lot of people are trying to have a conversation with the police, but strictly they are telling them that it's not allowed to enter any vehicle inside. In fact, in the late night video conference, CM Yogi Adityanath instructed senior police officers to work closely with the railway authorities to manage the movement of devotees and ensure there is no traffic or crowd mismanagement. The Transport Corporation has been directed to deploy additional buses to accommodate the increased rush, while street vendor occupying the road will be relocated to prevent disruption. Also, earlier we saw several street vendors that were sitting here are also somewhere removed from here. Some are still there, yes, whose shops
well,
are
all right, Arzu, on that note, in fact, we'll come back to you shortly for more visuals and more ground reports from Prayagraj, where big changes have been announced after the stampede resulted in the death of 30 devotees, also injuring many. Now, viewers, on that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Till then, stay with us.